Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So if you are still storing passwords using SHA-256 or worse plain texts, so your application is already vulnerable, or hackers today doesn't guess passwords, that crack them in seconds using the modern GPUs. Or along with that, but here is the real question is is your password storage strong enough to survive a data breach? If it is if it is yes, so that's a very good thing. Okay, but in this video I am going to show you that how professionals actually secure passwords in ASP.NET Core using some techniques that is provided in the ASP.NET Core. Okay, or and more importantly, I am going to show you the exact mistake the 90% developers make, or even after hashing the passwords as well. By the end of this video, you will be able to build a login system that is not just working but production level secure as well. So if you are serious about backend development and security, so this is something you can't afford to ignore. So let's get started with the main content. Okay, so at this moment, we have created two APIs, one for login and second for registration. But there is one important thing that I am going to tell you, that for registration, I am just storing the passwords in the plain text. Or definitely, guys, we have to store passwords in the hashing formats. So, or at that moment, I thought I should create video on this topic as well, so that you even can learn this. Thing as well. Okay, because most of you all they always, like, you always know about there is only one password algorithm, which is the SHA-256. Okay, so this is why I thought I should bring this video for you as well. Okay, so let's see that how the things we will work here. So basically we have the passwords in the plain text. Now let's create another method. Okay, or that guys, the method that I'm gonna to use, which is provided by the SP, means that or it is the best and the easiest way to implement the password hashing. Okay, so let me create the method private string, and along with that hashing passwords. That's good. Or even I will it I am like it is required to send the passwords in the arguments. Okay, now what I will do here, so basically I will initialize the hasher, so the new password hasher that we required here. Okay, so this is how, like, password hasher. So this is the class that we require, or or we require the string type password. So we have initialized the password hasher. Thereafter, what you have to do here, you have to create the hashing of your password. So you have to write hasher dot hash password. Oh guys, trust me, this is one of the best and the easiest way to implement the password algorithm hashing as well. So the first parameter, it requires like a user or password. Okay, so I don't want to send any user here, so basically I will just keep it as a null. Or the password that I'm gonna to add, which is the password that I'm supplying from the parameter. Okay, thereafter you will see that it is the string type hash. So basically I will just return hash from here. So in this way we can hash your passwords at the time of registration. So I will just send the dto.password in this method, or through this calling this method in here will generate the hashing password. Now the important step comes here, which is the how to verify your passwords at a login time, because it is required, or it is the mandatory step. Because password hashing creation is not a big deal. Another thing is that you have to verify your hashing password as well. So how you will do this, let's check out the things. Okay, so at this moment, what I'm trying to hear, if the password which is stored in the user database, user table, or the password which I'm supplying from the outside. So if both passwords are equal, so I will just make the things like both the things are not equal, so I will just give the invalid credentials kind of error. Okay, now let's make it very powerful with the password hashing. So how you will do this? So basically I will just run the hasher again. So we have to run new password hasher with the string type. There what you have to here, basically you have to run the result here, or I need the result hasher dot verify hash password, or thereafter you have to check that like how many parameters it is required. So it is required three parameters. First is user, second is hash password, third is the provided password as well. Okay, so we haven't provided the user at the time of creation of the hashing password, so still we got like we put null there. So again we have to make it null as well. Now there is another thing, the provided password. So provided password is the user dot password. Okay, or the third password that we are going to enter as a dto dot password, which I am supplying there. Okay, so all such things we have added here. Now it is the important steps. Okay, or you will see that it returns the password verification result. Okay, it means like it has the three status, or it has the three possible values. First is the like your password may be success, your password may be failed, or your password success, but it is required to rehash again. Okay, so rehash needed. So these are three status that you have to know as well. So what you have to do here, if result equals to password verification result, it is success, so I will allow the user to log in the log into the user. Okay, but somehow if the status is kind of result. Okay, result equals to password verification result dot uh, success rehash needed. It means that you have to create the new hash of your password, or thereafter you have to submit that password, you have to update that password with the existing one. Okay, in the database. So hasher dot hash password. Okay, or even you can call this method again. So the method that we have created there, which is the hash password, which is the hashing password. So you have to copy this thing, or you have to paste it here, or basically I will just mention the detailed password, so it will generate the password again. Okay, or in such a way you can get your new hashing password, or you have to update your passwords in the DB as well. Okay, so you have to update password in the DB at this moment you have to do here. But what you have to do here, if the another status, which means that the final status that we will get, which is the failed status, so at this moment you have to return the unauthorized message. Okay, so it means that your user is unauthorized, or basically I will just give the object invalid credentials, or I don't need these steps or this sort of block, I don't need this as well. Okay, or if all the things have done, thereafter I can say that this is the one of the best and the easiest way to implement the password hashings in the application. Okay, or still there are a lot of approaches that bcrypt algorithm and the argon 2 algorithm, or even you can add the pepper and salt approach you can use there. But guys, I want you to know you have to apply the easiest approach, or even the trusted approaches as well. Okay, but this approach is provided by the ASP.NET Core Identity Core as well. So this is why I told you this approach for the password hashing as well. Okay, so I hope you love this video and you love this content as well. So guys, I just want to request that please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues on network as well, and hit the like button. Oh guys, I just want to know your opinion on this topic or on this video as well, like how you see this approach there. Okay, let's do something else as well. Okay, let's update the password as well, otherwise we will forget to update the password. Okay, so context dot update user, so we have to write users dot update, or basically we will require the user data as well. Okay, so where data, or I think we have created, okay, so we have the user data like this. Okay, so you have to write the things like user dot password, that new hash. Thereafter you have to pass the user again, or in such a way, or underscore context or save changes here. So we got the you like password again, or it like what it does, it means that like whenever you will show like hover here, you will see that indicates password verification was successful. However, the password was encoded using a deprecated algorithm, so it should be rehashed and updated it. Okay, so this is why we have the another status, which is the success rehash needed. Okay, so I hope you love this video, or I just want to give the thumbs up on this video as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video till here, or till then, take care guys, bye bye, have a good day.